Becky Bang. Becky was wonderful. She was so way over on one side or the other, and you never knew which one it was.
Jack of hearts, jackknife, jack-o'-lantern, jack screw, jack pot, jack in the pulpit, jack in the box, jack rabbit, jack pine, jack of all trades, master of none.
The sounds of Thelonious Monk drift through the sultry night air of Venice, Venezia. The city of intrigues and illusions. The city that makes love to the sea.
The majestic palaces and Byzantine buildings wrap themselves around the winding lagoon.
The strained notes of Louis Armstrong dress up in the Doge's finery.
Elegant masqueraders throw a shimmering light on the canals during Carnival.
A cool Miles Davis riff becomes the sound of gondolas as they smoothly caress the Grand Canal.
Cool Coltrane whispers Byzantine little nothings into the murky waters beneath the Bridge of Sighs.
Strains of Charles Mingus are unsettling, causing ripples and waves in the green lagoon.
There's a storm brewing.
Suddenly, a blast from Charlie Parker awakens the lion of St. Mark.
The terrible lion with wings
Who breathes fire from on high. The clouds are burning.
The lagoon is steaming with hot jazz rhythms.
Venice, Venezia, the city of intrigues and illusions. The city that makes love to the sea.
In the black striped stair, silvered train, a tunnel through the morning tear. Window in on those who look.
I was in Paris with 3 poets. We stayed in the street on the left bank. We met a group of surrealists led by a man named David Bell-Lee. And that was the beginning of the surrealist adventure. Every year, the new surrealists would send me collages in French, which I didn't understand. So I would send them cartoons in English, which they didn't understand. In 2003, I was invited by this woman, Corinne, to take part in a surrealist art show in Paris. How can I possibly pass up an opportunity like this? I created this painting called The Night of Red Jazz. When I arrived in Paris, I walked down the Champs-Élysées and realized I had no idea what to expect. When I got to Gallery Atelier Z, my painting was hanging there on the wall.
L'ange gardien.
A guardian angel. A guardian angel.
Yes.
And why do you prefer to work with marble? Why do you choose to work with marble?
Because it's a very fine, so the material is very fine.
Yes.
And you make product all effect.
Yes, okay. Imagine it's
wood,
inflexible.
wood, yes.
Do you ever break it? Do you ever break it?
Yes. No, but you take very fine and very wood and so on. And wood.
Yes.
And it's a material privileged by Michelangelo.
Oh, Michelangelo. So you're in the right company then.
Yeah. Well, that too, because you take you see a mask, African mask.
An African mask.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And that's nice too. That's unusual. It's blue, isn't it?
Yes, it's a work of Hubert Ulysse Le Cas. It's very interesting. It's very inspired by the work, and that is the ass. The ass of woman. and that is my work, and the woman and the man.
Yes, that's very original. That's very interesting.
The Annie and Tutus. It's a project of monumental sculpture of 3 meters high.
Ah, really? You're going to 3 meters high?
Yes.
She would follow the dream of her love, the dictates of her heart, that told her he was her all in all, the only man in the world for her, and love was the master guide. Nothing else mattered. Come what might, she would be wild, untrammeled, free!
sticks, blind tears cry, posters run ruin into old teeth on toothpaste ads. Traumatic nightmares have cocktails with the president as dogs sodomize superstition on a chaise lounge. Pastels paint a painter from grasped end of crayons made from an amateur dripped with rayon. Charisma drips blood from noses between fire-burned eyes. Roller-skating demons 12 flagpoles, a rift in the millennium. Kangaroos ride in tandem, pandemonium through a flea circus.
What can you do on Thursday nights? You can do laundry. You can fill your car with gas. Go shopping. Fight rush hour traffic. Or you can go to Squawk Coffee House.
We twitching on your string. Oh, I love you. The trees of the sky, no reason, just because.
The point of a coffee house is nobody's turf. And when you perform at a coffee house, your words and your music and your utterance will be true.
There is a land, this blue planet don't understand.
Years ago, some friends of mine heard I was doing poetry, and they said, well, why don't you come to this place called Naked City? Because at that time it was called Naked City Coffee House. It was in a hallway in Brighton. It was not actually a legal coffee house. They had rented this little room off the hallway under the guise of being an art gallery, but then Wednesday night they would bring all these chairs into the hallway, set up the coffee house, all of this action would happen, then they'd make it all disappear. And the funny part about it was it became like the most popular coffee house in town. It was on they advertised on Emerson Radio and WUMB. And it didn't exist. It wasn't supposed to exist in that form. But it was a place that I started to come to, and people there were so welcoming and friendly, and I was so absolutely terrified.
You want a single glimpse, the very thought of wanting here.
The expedition works its way to Harvard Square. An anachronistic figure in jeans over there. Stuck in the 60s like a car in the snow.
It matches the brown of the pussy willow sprigs which are blossoming. I will keep the pussy willows in water for a while longer.
Hold down in the shotgun shack. I got the lawman out front. I got the cripples out back.
This is Squawkland. It's like Graceland, except better.
Much more better.
Much more better. More better blues.
That's right.
Yes, the insect goddess will make us all come alive again. Real estate, nakedness in real estate. What is the link? Be a crash and burn angel. Make me a crash and burn angel. Ooh, mama. Ooh, mama. Watch out for falling stones. Watch out for falling stones. Circle of eyes surrounding the void. Circle of arms.
Of white, and I'm thinking of strawberries in summer. The room's half painted, the corners are... Back down. Back down.
Because it's a rough life being a poet. Rags and poverty, the bard's middle name. Shelved at the bottom of America's game. Living in squalor as night approaches. But you're never alone, just listen for the roaches.
Squatter. Just because a body doesn't have a pot to piss in doesn't mean a body doesn't have to piss.
And I, when I, in the circle on the sand, my dreams like the waves cast away, the house I built, the bricks I laid, the stones I collected, and the time that I gave.
Book, Hot Rain. I can understand why you had an affair with the Queen of Mars. She's got pink hair and her teeth are sharp. You left Earth to kiss her, and I bear the scars. I picture her. I don't have VCR. Anyway, thanks, and keep coming to Squawk.
Reggie O'Hare Gibson. Reggie!
Hallow the mouth to a devil's sputter. Beat God like he stole someone from you. Pummel him until all that remains is unthunderous pulp and question.
All come together in a special Thursday night at Squawk Coffee House that we become all together an evolving entity. Evolving entity. It is that time for Dagmar. And it's gonna be close. To hell with the Commander-in-Chief! He's my vote for the one person, the one historian in this country that you can trust. Be generous with Ed as Ed is generous with all of America.
The CIA made me sing off key. Yeah. The CIA made me sing off key.
What do you think of Ed Sanders?
Ed's a true bard. Ed's a true bard. I was thinking, Ed is so unique, he's a unicorn. There's not many unicorns left around the planet, but Ed's a unicorn. And we should be all really, really happy to be in the presence of a unicorn.
Ed Sanders is the most jubilicious poet I have ever seen in my life. He makes me want to carbonate my walk.
You can't get it in the drugstore. You can't get it in the supermarket.
There's only one
You
place
can't buy it because it's not for sale.
Oh, he's great.
Ed Sanders is absolutely, he's my hero. He's my rock star hero.
I can't get enough of that unforgettable gush. I just,
Bliss, bliss. I'm happy. I'm happy.
I feel better now in Cambridge.
Ed Sanders, it was an awesome night, a great reading. It was a great feeling to Ed's reading. What I really liked was how, through his movements and gestures, it was this seamless timeless seam of just the spirit of the 60s being present here tonight. So it was an incredible time. We saw this, people give Ed a standing O at the end. It was just this rising up of spirit and passion and vision for what our world can be.
I come to Squawk a lot. It's the best place in Cambridge to come to do your stuff because anything goes.
Ravenous piglet, scud spotter. Ravenous piglet, war humor specialist. Ravenous piglet, upstart competitor of CNN.
Well, now we know. Yes. Yes. But why for Easter? Oh, I didn't even think of that. Well, let's all get sacrilegious. I'll get religious. This is Holy Week. I'm sorry. Holier than thou. Okay, and next up we have, are you out of it?
Are you? No.
Are you?
Scientific notation. Scientific notation. E equals MC squared. F equals BS Googled.
Everything in my head used to roll into a
Was I said made me think I lost my head when I knew I lost my heart.
Down the highway the sage moves on. The city ignores him until he's dead and gone. Chicken Little. What's the name of this magazine? Spot? Spot? Second edition.
Second edition. Did you make them a note on there for second edition?
It says second edition. This first edition was sold out in 10 minutes last week.
How many you get left? This is a collector's
There's about 10 left. This is Squawk Magazine, the 39th edition, the almost weekly magazine of the Naked City Coffee House.
We have a commercial to start off, so here we go.
The Persian Gulf! We're off of Saudi soil and we're on this little recreational ship enjoying a little cheer. Whoa! Whoa! That's the bottle! Oh, give me one. Yeah. We're so dry in the desert, yes, but we got Ashelma help us to count down to confrontation. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Saddam out of Kuwait! 'Cause we wanna be back in the U.S. Back in the U.S. Back in the USA! Whoa!
Don't spill the eggs.
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 Don't spill the eggs.